Bo, get in.
What the was that? Oh no! Oh, I hate the dog. Oh, how am I gonna break this to my daughter? Oh, I gotta go tell her.
Hi, Mommy!
Hi, honey.
How
What
are you?
doing?
Brother's spazzing right now.
Don't like that. You know that new puppy I got you?
Yeah, he's so cute and fun and adorable and well.
Ran away.
Bullshit, Mom. Bullshit. They never said lie to your kids.
I'll buy you another one. Well, actually, I should tell you the truth. I ran him over with the car talking to your father.
You then.
You bitch.
Fucking Adam.
Oh, God, no.